Hello to everyone, my name is Elwin Weman. I'm representing the BEST team. Today I will present the Quechua language-based knowledge graph and the problem we want to solve. The current state says that there is no content in minority languages on websites. So basically, if we don't have annotations in minority languages on websites, search engines cannot retrieve this data and they cannot provide these final knowledge panels that they show in the result of a query from a user. So what we want to do here is to generate these knowledge panels in order that websites can contain this data in a minority language, and then search engines can collect this data, store it in the knowledge graph, and with this data can represent knowledge in different minority languages. How we do that? We basically install some modules that are necessary for running this program, and those modules basically are for executing, for retrieving data from Wikidata. Once we want to define, for example, a query for Jose Maria Arguedas, a Peruvian writer, and we also define some constraints, or in this case a query that retrieves all the Quechua knowledge that it's stored in Wikidata, and we want to retrieve all the knowledge. So then we want to validate this data, so in order to see whether there is a name or where there is occupation, a citizenship for the person that we are looking for. So once we run this, the validation report shows that it conforms, and then we can see the generated semantic annotation in Quechua language for Jose Maria Arguedas. So we can easily copy and paste this into our website, and Google will retrieve this data and store it in their knowledge graph. Thank you for your attention.